Hey mamas, struggling to save while handling extra expenses for your kids' activities? So today I'm exposing 4 lies that hinder your savings and how to overcome them. Hey, I'm Marika, mama of 2 with a master's in accounting and enrolled agent and a future chartered financial consultant. I'm also a mama money coach. So supporting our children's passion while managing our own financial responsibilities is no easy task. So I've seen how extra expenses can strain a budget. So here are 4 common lies about handling extra expenses and how you can face them to improve your savings. So lie 1, I can't save anything with extra expenses. It may feel impossible, but small changes add up. So start by reviewing your budget and identifying non-essential expenses. For instance, cutting out a $10 weekly treat can save you $520 a year. So redirect those funds towards your savings and your child's activities. Even saving just $5 a day can lead to $1,800 in a year. So lie 2, cutting costs means sacrificing quality time. So there are creative ways to cut costs without sacrificing quality time. Plan free or low cost family activities like park visits, hikes, or game nights. So these activities can be just as enriching and create lasting memories without breaking the bank. For example, a family picnic at the park can be more memorable than an expensive outing. So lie 3, I need to cover all costs myself. So look for community resources or scholarships that can help with expenses. So many competitive programs offer financial aid or sliding scale fees. For example, local community centers often provide discounted classes and activities. So don't hesitate to ask for help and explore all available options. So sometimes, simple Google search can reveal unexpected resources. So lie number 4, budgeting is too complicated and time consuming. So budgeting doesn't have to be overwhelming. Use the priority budgeting resource to simplify the process. So this method helps you focus on essential expenses first and then allocate funds for your goals, like your child's activities, right? Ensuring every dollar has a purpose. So with the priority budgeting, you can easily see where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. So by recognizing and addressing these 4 lies, you can manage extra expenses without derailing your savings goals. So remember, it's all about making informed decisions and finding balance. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your own tips for handling extra expenses for your child's activities. So together we can support our families and achieve financial stability. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.